Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing an instant healthy lunch recipe made without wheat, rice or maida, and it takes just under 15 minutes to make. Super healthy, filling, nutrient dense and gut friendly meal to enjoy in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. For this recipe I'm using a small piece of raw papaya. I'm going to peel the skin, remove the seeds and grate the raw papaya. The natural enzymes in raw papaya helps to break down protein, fats and carbohydrates. The enzyme papain in raw papaya helps to maintain healthy gut bacteria. Add the grated green papaya into a bowl. Into this add in 2 green chilies finely chopped. Green chilies you can increase or decrease as per your taste. 6 to 7 shallots sliced. Instead of shallots, you can use 1/4 of an onion finely chopped. I prefer to use shallots for that extra iron and folate. 3 sprigs of fresh curry leaves for that extra iron and folate. I'm slicing the curry leaves and adding it into the bowl. Pink Himalayan salt as needed, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/3 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, 1 heaped teaspoon sesame seeds. Sesame seeds helps to balance your hormones, so try to include sesame seeds in your diet if you have hormonal issues. With my hand, I'm mixing all this really well. Into this, I'm adding in 1 cup of sprouted ragi flour, also known as finger millet. Ragi is a highly nutritious and gluten-free millet. I'm measuring half cup of water and I'm adding it into the bowl. Once roughly mixed, add in 1/4 cup of water and mix it really well into a spreadable batter. So altogether I used 3/4 cup of water, and once it is mixed, this is how the batter should be. You should be able to spread your batter like this. Now the best thing about this batter is that you can make ahead this and store it in the refrigerator and it will stay good for a couple of days. This way it's an ideal way to meal prep. I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm greasing it with wood pressed gingerly oil, also known as sesame oil. Once the tawa is heated, reduce the flame to the lowest and then I'm taking a portion of the batter, place it onto the hot tawa and with wet fingers spread it out into a thin round roti. Drizzle in a little bit of A2 desi ghee, or you can use any wood pressed oil of your choice. Remember that ragi is one of the natural sources of vitamin D, hence you need a good source of healthy fat like A2 desi ghee or wood pressed oil to help in better assimilation of the fat soluble vitamin D in ragi. Cover and allow it to get cooked on low flame. Now the reason why I'm using sprouted ragi flour is that once ragi is sprouted, the vitamin C level tends to increase and leads to easy absorption of iron into the bloodstream. Once that side is done, carefully flip it over. Allow that side to get cooked as well. Once that side is done, flip it over and serve to a plate. Repeat the same thing with the rest of the batter. And my super healthy ragi roti with green papaya is ready to serve. You can enjoy this with any pickle or any side dish of your choice. This is an excellent meal option to carry as a lunchbox meal, as it will stay soft till lunchtime. The high fiber will also keep you feel fuller for a longer time. So guys, you try this healthy ragi roti and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.